beautiful day here in eastern North Carolina. But as you know, things can change quickly in regards to severe weather. Whether it's flooding, hurricane, or even snow and ice, it's important to be prepared for weather-related emergencies before they happen. September is National Preparedness Month, and hurricane season runs through the end of November. So having a kit for you and your family is important in case of an emergency. These are just a few things that you can have in your kit, but I want to give you just a quick tip. If you have kids, make sure you remember to have something for them to do in case of an emergency, if you have to go to a shelter, as well as be prepared for your senior citizens and your pets. Also, this is a battery-operated lantern that can last up to 14 hours in case you lose power, and this is a safe alternative to we don't want you to use candles. But in a pinch, you can get these solar lights right from outside in your yard. It's $1 or more, and use this just in case. For more information on getting prepared, join me for this free virtual session, Be Prepared Disaster Preparedness, on September 15th at 11 a.m. For more information, go to our website or give me a call at 252-459-9810. Thank you for joining me for 90 Seconds with Nash.